Hello, good day everyone. This is Tefs. Welcome back to this channel. This next repair is a TCL 32 inches LED TV. It's turning on but only bar lines appear on the screen. I hope you will like this video, and make sure to like it, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to keep you updated. So let's get started. The bar line on the screen is an LCD panel issue. So I will first check the voltages of the T-Con if they are present and stable. VGH is 26 volts, which is good. VGL is negative 6.3 volts, which is also good. .3 volts is okay. And HVAA is 7.9 volts. Seems all voltages are normal. We don't have a problem with the T-Con, so let's remove the LCD frame, and measure the COF voltages if they are all present. This is the bottom side COF. I gently remove the coating to expose the copper so I can able to measure the voltages. Find the VGL and VGH voltages. .26 volts is measured on this dot, which means that is the VGH. And the next dot is 0.66 volts only. VGH and VGL are always next to each other. This dot is 26 volts, so it's the VGH. And this dot is 0.6 volts, and so it's the VGL, and the voltage should be negative 6.3 volts. Now I will supply the VGL using my analog multimeter. If set to RX1, there is about 3 volts come out of the test probes. The voltage out on this black probe is positive and the red probe is negative. So the black probe is connected to the ground and the positive to the dot, which is supposed to be the VGL. Now a partial image appears, because only negative 3 volts is supplied. Now I going to solder a tin coated wire to this dot, which is the VGL. Now connect it to the T-Con VGL. Seems working now.
A few moments later.
The TV is working, but a horizontal line on it, but still a success. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked my video. Remember to like and subscribe. Once again, I'm Tefs. See you again next time. Bye for now.